In a world where dietary trends come and go, one controversial approach has captured the attention of health enthusiasts and skeptics alike: the carnivore diet. Join us on a journey of discovery as we delve deep into the science, history, and controversy surrounding this meat-centric way of eating. Welcome to our documentary-style exploration of carnivore diets. Over the next hour, we'll be unraveling the mysteries of this increasingly popular dietary approach. From its evolutionary roots to its modern-day resurgence, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest for knowledge. To understand the carnivore diet, we must first look back to our evolutionary past. For millions of years, our ancestors relied on animal foods as their primary source of nutrition. But how does this ancient dietary pattern compare to our modern-day eating habits? The human species evolved as opportunistic hunters and gatherers, relying on a wide range of plant and animal foods for sustenance. However, it's clear from archaeological evidence that animal foods played a significant role in our ancestral diets, providing essential nutrients for growth, development, and survival. Fast forward to the present day, and the carnivore diet has experienced a resurgence in popularity, with proponents touting its potential benefits for weight loss, mental clarity, and autoimmune conditions. But what does the science say about the health implications of a meat-based diet? While the carnivore diet may offer short-term benefits for some individuals, it's important to consider the potential risks and long-term consequences of eliminating entire food groups from our diets. Research suggests that a balanced approach, incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, is key to promoting optimal health and well-being. Despite the scientific debate, many individuals have reported profound transformations after adopting a carnivore diet. From weight loss success stories to relief from chronic health conditions, the anecdotal evidence is compelling. But what motivates people to embrace such a radical dietary change? While the health benefits of a carnivore diet are hotly debated, critics raise valid concerns about its ethical and environmental implications. From animal welfare to sustainability, the carnivore diet raises important questions about our relationship with food and the planet. The environmental impact of meat production is undeniable, with concerns about deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, and water usage. While some argue that regenerative agriculture and sustainable farming practices can mitigate these effects, it's clear that our dietary choices have far-reaching consequences for the health of the planet. As our journey comes to an end, one thing is certain: the carnivore diet is a topic of immense complexity and controversy. Whether you're a staunch advocate or a skeptical observer, we hope this exploration has provided valuable insights into the nuances of meat-based eating. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey. Remember to keep an open mind, question the status quo, and above all, stay curious.